Welcome to the next episode of Hallways with Holmes. Today I'm on one of our pediatric units with one of my teammates, Meyer. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your title.
I'm the Director of Design and Construction here in the Gainesville region. I lead a talented team that is responsible for design and construction of all of the projects in Gainesville.
So we're on the pediatric unit, a brand new unit. Tell us a little bit about the design and construction plan for this unit.
Well, this was a 2-year construction project that really transformed the units. This is one of the 2 pediatric units for our young patients. This used to be a semi-private unit, which means 2 patients had to share a room. Now we've converted each room into a private room. In each of the rooms, there are 3 zones, one for the patient, one for the family, and one for the nurses.
Outstanding. And tell us the advantages of having a private room.
It provides the privacy and the comfort and the workspace needed to care for our patients.
Now, I get a chance to work with on a lot of different projects. You not only do projects here in the hospital, but you do projects for our team members that are off-site in clinical support roles. Give us some examples of some of the renovations and projects that you work with outside of the hospital.
Well, this past year, we've opened 3 rehab centers in the community. In those projects, we converted existing spaces, we renovated existing spaces, and built out these rehab centers. So we really brought access closer to the community.
And I also know you do a lot of things to help us plan for the future. We have a lot of patients that want to come see us. We're a very busy organization. So when we think out down the road and we need places to expand, you help us identify those properties. Can you talk to us a little bit about how you identify those properties and then what do you do with those?
Well, this past year, we've completed our master facilities plan, which is really our roadmap, our 10-year roadmap to meet the demand in our communities. So we look at the data, we look at our market analysis, and we see where the demand is, and that's where we focus our growth.
And we're looking forward to growing to continue to meet your needs. You know, we oftentimes take for granted the physical environment that we're in. And I just want to say thank you to you and your team. You do an outstanding job for our team members and our community, and I'm so proud to have the opportunity to work with you.
Thank you for your support, Michael.
Thank you, everybody. Please tune in for the next episode of Hallways with Holmes.